What if your money no longer needed a bank? What if physical currency vanished and your wallet lived entirely on the blockchain? Welcome to Tech and Finance Code, where we decode the future of finance, technology, and digital wealth. Today, we dive deep into the transformation of money itself. Are traditional banks becoming obsolete? Will cryptocurrency and blockchain take over? Can AI protect your finances better than banks ever could? Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly where the smart money is heading in the next decade. Let's begin. The limits of traditional banks. Banks used to be the backbone of the economy, but today they feel more like digital prisons. Daily withdrawal limits, low credit caps, endless delays, and hidden fees that silently eat away your money. But here's the kicker. You don't really control your money in a traditional bank. The bank does. In times of crisis, governments bail out the banks, but leave the individual behind. That's not security, that's control. The decline of physical currency. Cash is dying. In fact, it's already on life support. Since 2020, digital payments have skyrocketed, and by 2035, more than 60% of all transactions may be fully digital. Why? Because digital currency is fast, it's trackable, it's easy. But as physical money fades, centralized power grows, and with it, the need for alternatives like blockchain and crypto rises. Is blockchain the death of banks? Blockchain is not just digital money, it's a completely different financial philosophy. In crypto, you hold your own keys. You move money with no middlemen. You operate with code, not clerks. But while that sounds powerful, it's still unregulated and sometimes unpredictable. Blockchain is freedom, but it's also responsibility. Will it replace banks? Not yet, but it's already reshaping them. What are neobanks? Now let's talk neobanks. These are digital-first banks. No branches, no paperwork, no legacy systems, just clean, fast, intuitive platforms. Think Chime, Revolut, N26, Monzo. They offer real-time transfers, artificial intelligence-based insights, crypto integration, and smart budgeting tools. Neobanks combine the trust of traditional banks with the innovation of tech startups, and they're growing. Crypto versus neobanks. What's better? Let's compare. Crypto wallets give you full ownership, but no safety net, no FDIC insurance, no recourse if you lose your keys. Neobanks? They're regulated, protected, and easy to use, but you don't control the back end. So, which is better? For financial freedom, crypto wins. For day-to-day usability, neobanks win. The smartest move? A hybrid strategy. Use crypto for long-term value. Use neobanks for everyday function. How AI detects fraud in real time. Now let's talk security, specifically fraud detection. Traditional banks often leave you in the dark. Your card gets skimmed, and you're left with the loss. But modern AI changes everything. AI systems now track your purchase habits, your device fingerprints, even how you swipe or type. If something looks suspicious, AI freezes the transaction instantly, sometimes before it even clears. It's not just security, it's predictive protection. AI is your financial guide. AI isn't just watching your transactions, it's becoming your digital advisor. It can flag that forgotten subscription, predict when your balance might dip, suggest smarter ways to save, and even recommend investments based on your goals and risk level. In a way, AI is doing what banks never could, make finance personal again. Will banks still exist in 10 years? So, will banks still be around in the next decade? Yes, but not as we know them. Legacy banks will have to evolve, merging blockchain, AI, and fintech into a completely new model. We may see central bank digital currencies, we'll see AI-powered branches, and we'll see more people using wallets and apps than ever before. The bank of tomorrow is not made of bricks and marble, but of code, data, and trust. The future of money isn't coming, it's already here, and the people who understand it now will be the ones who thrive in it later. So ask yourself, where will your money live in the next decade? Controlled by old institutions, or flowing freely in the smart economy? If this video gave you insights, subscribe to Tech and Finance Code for more financial foresight. Like, comment, and share this with someone building their digital future. Remember, it's not about saving more, it's about being smarter with what you already have.